Friend, Fries, and Arnold are pleased to present the Atrium Medical Center Foundation 2010 Physician Hero Award to Dr. Walter H. Roehll, Jr.
Well, Dr. Roehll, Walter Roehll, is a legend, really. He and his father have served this community and our organization for over 80 years. And I look at Walter, who has spearheaded the development of cardiology at the hospital. He's like our godfather of cardiology.
He was an internist first, and then decided he wanted to go on cardiology. His dad did some cardiology, but he didn't have the training that Walt had.
Walter Roehll has served patients for more than 52 years in Middletown. He's a respected physician and community leader. 59 years ago, he started his family with Mary Lou.
Family life was, we had 4 kids, and we had medical school, internship, residency, 2 years in the service in the Air Force, and then Duke, and then back to here. And he's very proud of his kids. Both of us, but believe it or not, are kind of easy to get along with. He's been busy. I've had the home, he's had the hospital, and it works.
Dr. Roehll has dedicated much of his career to innovation in medicine.
Walt was really the first cardiologist that we had on staff. He left his internal medicine group, decided that Middletown needed a cardiologist and needed a cardiology focus.
Well, from the medical standpoint, I would describe Dr. Roehll as an innovator. After more than 50 years in practice in Middletown, he has brought more new and innovative therapies in cardiology to this community than anyone else. Dr. Roehll has extreme passion for his work. As a matter of fact, I don't know any physician more passionate and more committed to patients and to providing innovation to the community.
He's always been in the forefront of what's new on cardiovascular disease and on treatment of the disease, and he tries to keep the entire community aware of what's new and what's possible, so that people are looking forward, not afraid of treatment, but willing to seek treatment.
He has served as our medical director of cardiology for now decades. And I think the fact that we started off when Walter first came, I think we had an EKG machine. Today we have an open heart surgery program.
Through his compassionate approach, Dr. Roehll has earned the respect and loyalty of hundreds of patients who now count on him as their doctor and friend.
Walt's been a wonderful doctor for me, very concerned and very caring. I credit him give him full credit for the fact that I'll be turning 90 this year and I'm still here.
What makes Dr. Roehll an outstanding physician in my mind is that he is, again, a professional in that he always seems to take the high road in any situation.
Well, his bedside manner was excellent. He gave you a sense of confidence, and I never questioned his recommendations.
He continues to want to learn. He wants to improve his ability to care for patients, and he wants us to improve our ability to care for patients.
His leadership to Atrium Medical Center includes 13 years as Medical Director of Cardiology, as well as 11 years of service on the Board of Directors. He has served on the Atrium Medical Center Foundation Board since 2007.
He's always been a fundraiser, always been a leader, always been a champion for the hospital and for medicine in Middletown.
Walt is one of the more generous people that I have ever met, both with his time, his energy, and with his money. He's been the board president or the board chairman for 25 years in a row. He's been the chairman of the golf outing for 15 years in a row. And that's much harder than being chairman of the board. The golf committee meets every month all year round, and to try to keep an event going that long and keep it that fresh means that you have to be someone who's pretty lively and brings new life to the event every year.
Well, he's been a champion for the hospital and for cardiology and medicine. And he has been a leader in helping us advance to the next levels of technology and service and programming. So without Walter Roehll, I don't believe that we would be where we are today and offering really a very complete spectrum of cardiology services, medical and surgical services, to the public.